Today in math, we are going to be working on bar modeling. Our learning targets are, I can use bar models to solve addition problems, and I can use bar models to solve subtraction problems. Let's take a look at an example. There were 28 ants in the picnic basket. 13 walked away. How many are left? So, how many ants are there in the picnic basket altogether? Does it tell us? Yes, it tells us in the first sentence there were 28 ants in the picnic basket. So we are going to put that as our whole because that's how many ants there were altogether. Now, it tells us that 13 walked away. So that is one of the parts. And then it's asking how many are left. Well, we don't know that. So we're going to put a question mark here. Now we need to look at our bar model and see what we know. We know the whole and we know one part. So when we know the whole and a part, we can use subtraction to solve the problem. So let's write this down. We are going to start with the whole. That's the biggest number. We're always going to start with that on the top. 28 minus 13. And this will give us the other part. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So there were 15 ants left. All right, let's try another one. Abdi and his dad went fishing. His dad caught 12 fish and he caught 11 fish. How many fish did they catch all together? All right, does it tell us how many they caught all together? No, it does not. So our question mark is going to go in the whole because we don't know how many it is all together. So that makes it easy. We know that his dad caught 12 fish, so that's part of the whole, and he caught 11 fish, so that's the other part. Now we just need to combine the two parts to make the whole. And when you combine two things in math, that's called addition. So we are going to add our two parts. So 12 plus 11 is 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is they caught 23 fish. Now, when you work on these problems, if you aren't sure how to read the question, you can click on the recording that's right next to it. All right, good luck.